Did you know 92% of parents are unaware of the full 7+ maths syllabus and topics? They fail to find solutions to the actual past paper questions asked by top schools and are unable to plan their child's 7+ exam preparation. Due to this, 8 out of 10 students struggle with difficult topics like algebra, geometry, and numbers. And most students fail their exam due to poor time management. It's time to stop the struggle. Introducing Pi Academy's 2025 7+ Maths Solved Topicwise questions, the best practice resource for the 2026 7+ exams of top independent schools. Trusted by 20,000+ parents, students, and teachers. Access instantly all detailed answers. Written by 7+ expert examiners. This pack consists of 560+ Topicwise questions and 25+ solved past papers of top schools with detailed stepwise solutions, timed guidance for each question, and Topicwise tagging. And yes, with this pack, you get the full 7+ Maths and English past papers pack for free. What's more, you also unlock the difficulty level-wise planner to practice, revise, and track your child's progress with ease, and secure a 95% success rate. So stop searching and start preparing. Subscribe today to secure your child's 7+ success.